All right, we have a video here of a mini skid steer EG, not really mini, it's just a skid steer loader, EG360T. It's got a 44-inch front bucket on there. It's like the perfect size for moving dirt around. They do make some implements for these as well. Gas powered motor. We'll fire it up and kind of show you how it works, and then you can come check it out preview day. Okay, just a quick little demo. Very easy to operate. There you have it. Any questions you might have, just let us know. You can call us or email, whatever works best for you, and we'll be sure to answer any questions you have. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you preview day.